Here we come to the elevator at TrueFit in College Station, Texas. It's a ThyssenKrupp Signa4 from 2014. Haven't seen a Signa4 in a while. 2. Okay, it's not an Endura MRL, it's just a regular hydro. I'll ring the bell again. Sweet Caroline is playing downstairs. I get a cab before I leave. I have to, unfortunately I cannot really be talking too loud, but I still have no other choice than to talk and talk and talk to avoid copyrighting music. But anyways, we got a Signa4 for you. I haven't seen Signa4 in a while. Anyways, there it goes, and that's it.